Hey guys, welcome back. So I know you're gonna burn me down for this. It's okay. So I posted some shorts on this car. I'll post a longer video. So this car has been absolutely ridiculous. So we bought this thing from Christian Arbadella. It was in Argentina. He brought it back to the United States. We got a hold of it with a pile of parts. We've blown the engine up once. We've blown the clutch up, and when I say we, I mean me. I've blown the engine up. I've blown the clutch up. I have rolled it. I have put a hole in the transmission. Here, this thing has just not lived long at all. So this winter, took it out, took her for a rip, and got a little track behind my house in a field, and had just freshly snowed. I'm out there just giving it as, you know, everything it's got. And I wasn't moving very fast. I mean, it was moving, but there's a lot of snow, so it's just pushing against a bunch of snow. It was cold. I think that there was an ice chunk or a rock or something. Came up, hit the transmission, put a hole right in it. And so, yeah, I need to fix the tail shaft of the transmission. Come here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna move you. Let's see. We have the cover off. Didn't do any damage, but well, to the gears. What it did do damage to is the tail shaft, and you can see my fix. Yes, I know, but I don't want to pull the tail shaft off. And this JB steel whatever is good for 4,000 psi. It's chemical resistant, and it's a little hole. And so I'm just gonna patch the hole for now while I order a tail shaft. I put it on here earlier. It's the stuff that you roll up in a ball and then it dries in an hour, it says. Sets up in a minute, dries in an hour. So I just put it up there. We'll see if it holds. I'm gonna give it a shot, and yeah, and then we're gonna take this thing out for a rip. Unfortunately, race season is over, so this thing, you know, we'll do some practice and we'll do some videos with it, but we'll see what we can do. Couple of things. First thing is it's got a dog box transmission, and I guess I'm not sure what I don't even know what the build sheet doesn't specify. So it specifies a normal transmission, but I would think that an STI would have a 6-speed transmission. This has a 5-speed with the dog box. So I'm assuming PPI, I'm not sure. According to their specs, I'm gonna fill it with fluid according to what they recommend, but I have no idea. So we're gonna go with that. That's what was in it before when this thing blew up this winter. And I'm gonna come back underneath here. I actually lost the bolt out of the cradle to the transmission. Bear with me. So lost that bolt, the whole thing sagged down, tail shaft slamming around, and then it cracked right there, and chipped a little hole. Again, there's no metal shavings. There's no broken teeth. Everything looks fine. So I've patched the hole, and we're gonna send it and see what happens. Race car, right? So let me know in the comments if you guys think this is totally idiotic and I'm stupid for doing it, or if you guys have ever experienced anything like that. And then, yeah, let me know what you think we should run for fluid in this thing, and I'll keep you updated.